for James. I'm back with another video. Today we have Lasfit. These guys do headlights, Foglights, and actually a couple other applications. As you can see, these guys are out of California. It says Rancho. Is it Cucamonga? Yeah, California. Website here is as well, and CS at lasfit.com, and phone number as well. So let's see what these guys sent me over. Nice little box. LED switchback. Let's see. Automotive grade switchback flip chip, 9 volt. Okay. So they sent me some fog lights. So these are gonna definitely be for my 2016 Dodge Ram. Let's see what these look like. Come with some stickers. Nice stickers. Product manual. And here are the fog lights. This is like the connectors themselves. And then the lights themselves are right here. I don't want to touch them. You never want to touch these lights with your fingers. You can mess things up like that. But look at this. This is nice. This is nice. So next video, we're going to install these on my 2016 Dodge Ram and see the difference are. See what the switchback is. The switchback is supposed to be between like yellow and white. So we're going to see how these work.